Alright, you are looking live at pop culture class today, and you're looking at a really blurry screen because, wow, focus on my phone. You hear that comment a lot. Oh, hey, Michael. So we're here in beautiful, wintry Farmington, Maine, and we're working on a social media, how might we design a social media network and app for our campus? And we're in empathy phase. So we've done a survey monkey. This is our very first design challenge in this class, so we're learning as we go. And they asked some questions. What would you change about social media? And it was one of our questions that we asked. We used Ghost Soapbox to kind of figure out which questions we want to ask. Oh, shoot. That's a grade book. We don't want that on the internet. Okay. That was bad. Good. Yay for Blur. Do you enjoy notifications? What bothers you most about social media? Do you like your profile being public? What's your favorite social website? What's something new you'd like to be on social media? Do you enjoy seeing comments on a post? So these are the questions that we used Ghost Soapbox to upvote our possibilities. We brainstormed a whole mess and then we upvoted those. And then we got responses. We got all anonymous responses. We used SurveyMonkey, and we discovered quickly why we don't love SurveyMonkey, because the free version doesn't let you export data. So we wish we had done this on Google Forms to make sharing of the data easier, because right now we're going old school, and I'm copying them onto Google Docs and then printing them off so that we can empathy map. Whoa, my empathy map is upside down. So this is what we came up with from looking at our first set of responses. Oh, Michael, good question. They came up with all the questions. We did that last class. We meet every other day. So last class we came up with our questions. So our trends we found across our first set of data around what bothers us most about social media. We found reliance, addiction, bullying, and this idea of it silences some people while giving voice to others. And we saw a trend of fear. We saw it was all negative, but we also talked about how the question was going to be all negative. But we put things on a spectrum of annoyance to fear. We saw hacks as being, initially I saw it as being an annoyance, and someone pointed out, rightfully so, that caused a lot of worry for people. We saw drama as right between the two, because for some, drama is merely annoyance, but for others, it's a real fear. And then this idea of like ranty things, how those are annoying, but they don't really hurt anybody. Ads are just annoying. Really, ads should probably be over here. But they are so associated with negativity, you know. So, oh, cool. Great, Mike. Oh, that's awesome. Really cool. So I want to show you what they're doing right now. We've got groups all around the room, all designing and taking a look, and they're doing all these empathy maps over here. We've got, let's see, this was what's our favorite social media, right? Which one do we use the most?
Facebook.
Facebook, huge. We keep being told that millennials don't use Facebook anymore. Well, in rural Western Maine, they do. And then followed by Instagram, Twitter. We had what? We got 95 results from a school body of 700. That's pretty strong, right? Yeah. So we'll take those responses. So hey folks, say hi to Michael. He's in LA, right, Michael? Like Southern California at the very least. Yes, there it is. He's watching this right now, commenting live. So say hi.
How's it going, Michael?
Cool.
He's a friend of mine. This is why we Periscope, because then our friends can chime in. But he's putting out the idea that maybe we should. He's warm and sunny. We are here. Should we show him what it's like outside right now? He's warm and sunny. We've got the shades drawn right now, but that's what's happening outdoors here. At we're getting 3. Oh, stop! It's like 1 to 3 inches. It's nothing.
We're like the only one.
Tis nothing.
We're like the only school open though.
It's called snow, Michael. So here we go. Jack's got some more data going. This is cool. We've got, what's your favorite social website? And then this was our first thing that we would change about social media, right? That's what this data is. All right, so Jack, talk me through. What are you noticing for trends?
A lot of it is, well, a couple of them were just
less time on it, which I found interesting. And a lot of it's about security. Some people want more privacy, more security, but others want it more publicly and less obsessed about likes or followers, less drama, bullying, more chats, and a simple layout, and less ads or junk. Or
Yeah, I saw that too. People want a way more simplified layout.
And enhanced chat.
Right? Better chat, simple layout. So that's going to raise some good questions for us about what we want for features and hours.
Not have social media.
Right? And some people just want it gone altogether, which is also interesting. And we've got our Michael, double Michael. We got Michael watching. We got a Michael working over here. And we swing around. We can take a look. These guys up here have some same data sets, right? We've got 7 different design groups. So hopefully we're going to have 7 different things. Kyle, can you walk us through? Walk the internet through what you noticed.
Here is your least popular social medias, and over here is your most popular. So
Cool.
kind of blends together.
Oh, I like how you shaped it. With this kind of uncanny
This is
valley, right?
Someone that said that they don't like any social media.
Right.
And these are the less popular ones, and as you keep going.
Look at Reddit getting a little bit of love.
Yeah, I saw that.
Like,
and then
which is kind of interesting.
here, a little bit of the same, but
All right, and these are features they would change, right?
yeah, a lot of privacy and
Wow,
drama. and
real
bullying.
concern about tracking and privacy, right?
Yeah.
And we're seeing this trend constantly. Whatever we design, we have to think about this idea of drama and bullying,
I
right?
think negativity is a big part too.
Right? To make it a positive space, at the risk of authenticity, right? Because that's what we don't want people just using a space that they think is being kind of twisted and turned, right? You want to be able to be yourself, whenever that means. Interesting. Oh, okay, cool. I'm just going to show real quickly. This is our criteria. This is a very quick. I need to do a proper rubric, but these are the things that have to be in the project. We need to do. We need our name of our design team, and then you need to name your network. You need to come up with a logo. You need to choose a color palette that you're going to design everything around. Use colorlovers.com to do that. Is a really cool way to do that. Logo, however they want to do it. Sketch it, or draw it, or Lego it, whatever they want to do. Which goes also for prototypes of screen layout. I'm encouraging them to make it either digitally or physically. They can make physical layouts, use cardboard, use Lego. A really cool documentary about Star Wars toys on Hulu right now that has some really cool examples of prototyping that I highly encourage everyone to check out. I can't remember the name of it, but if you look up Star Wars Hulu documentary toys, you're going to find the name of it. Then storyboard how some uses it, diagram the network's functions, list and describe the features, and most importantly, right here, connect the empathy research to your work. So they also went and conducted interviews. You just were looking at the survey data. They did some interviews between now and then. We've got to look at that data too. So the goal is for them to see the trends. Now we're doing this as a really fast kind of design sprint, more than a full-on design challenge. We started yesterday. We're working on it today. We're going to have one class next week to work on it, and then just do the next class. And then we have February break. But I just wanted them to get through the design process once before. And I wanted to get through kind of a more complete than less complete. We could have done a design sprint right in class, but I wanted us to spend a little more time getting into the empathy side of things and doing some authentic research and see what works and doesn't work about the tools. It was kind of cool to use SurveyMonkey, even though I kind of knew that it probably wasn't going to be the best tool to use. I think it was kind of worth it in the end. So, all right, thanks for watching Periscope. More later. Oh, and Michael, thanks for watching. And let's see if we can collaborate between your students there in Southern California and these guys here in the wintry environs of Maine.